Hey folks, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some GitHub repositories that can help you ace your job interview and make you better as a developer. So let's get started. First off, I have this really helpful repository which is by JWSHAM. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's the repo name is Coding Interview University. It's very helpful repository. This repository has everything you'll need for a coding interview basically. It began as the repository owner's study plan, as you can see here, and and this author is now placed at Amazon. To ace any big company's interview, folks, you need a multi-month study strategy, and this is just exactly that. So you can check it out and feel free to use or follow this rather. Getting the job, optional extra topics and courses. As I told you, this is a very in-depth and this is not a one-time repository. It is a multi-month strategy. So you need to be really committed towards following it for it to work for you. Okay, so the next repository which we have in store is Tech Interview Handbook. This is your technical interview manual of a sort. This was the most organized and straightforward to navigate. It also includes advice on how to deal with behavioral questions. If you trust me, these questions can be really tricky. So kudos to the owner for that thing, right? Let's have a detailed look. There are contributors, there are backers, and yeah, maintainers. Okay. So the next in the list is How to Secure Anything by Viral Patel. This repository is well organized and it has a wealth of resources to support your learning. It's not it's not a primary repository. You don't need to learn or go through this only go through this. You can go through this at the side, as in you can keep on learning something, keep on developing skills, and at the same time you can keep on referring to it on some extra topics, some extra gaps that you might need to fill in your learning. This is also very well organized. You have you see topics and subtopics, then it's very interesting. It's basically security based on security engineering. As the name suggests, it's how to secure anything. So it's not. Then we have the JavaScript algorithms. This repository focuses on the JS positions. If you understand the principles and know how to implement the algo in JavaScript, you will certainly be able to do so in other languages as well, right? So therefore, each data structure in this repository and each algorithm has a README file, as you can see here, right? And these files have links to other resources. So if I just click on, suppose, this link, these files have link to other resources. So it's not in English, you can change the language. So it's very helpful as trees, graphs, sorting, searches, everything is there. They have literally everything in JavaScript language, and trust me, for DSA only the concept is needed, only the logic is needed. Irrespective of any language you learn, if you build a logic in your initial stages, then it will help you for a long time, right? So this repository is very helpful for clearing your concepts, and here everything is a link. So if you just click on the stack, for example, and here you're open to stack. Okay, so in this stack there a detailed explanation of what stack is, what is push, what is pop. There are references, there is Wikipedia, there is YouTube. So it's very detailed, and you can definitely try this out and let me know how you felt about it. Next we have how web works. So in this repository you can learn everything about the web, ranging from DNS, HTTP protocol, server, as well as DOM tree, render tree, page painting, and other topics. It's an excellent resource for learning the fundamentals of how the internet works. Moreover, the storage has additional links, that can allow you to dive deeper into certain topics. So for example, if I here just click on server response, right? Everything. It's a link. Basically, everything here. Let me just go back. All these are links to the README file, to topics in the README file. So if you click on DOM tree, it will take you to that section, and then you can read about what dormitory is and everything that they have to show for it here. It's also very helpful. Then we have JavaScript by the algorithms. This repo helps you, or supports you rather, to build clean and legible code. The community is fantastic and it's fast developing. So if you click on backtracking here, for example, then it will take you to some algos, some very popular algos, nqueen, night tour, some of subset, sudoku. All of these are very famous problems, and in JavaScript they have the algorithms here, so you can check it out. The next one is System Design Primer. Now this is very interesting. It's a collection of internet based materials and resources. The repository's owner resources. Basically the resources are made by the repository owner himself, and the repository is updated regularly, so you can definitely keep an eye on it, and you can definitely bookmark this one for further use. Next we have the awesome interview questions by Doppler HQ. This repo consists of excellent interview questions that are frequently asked. In many cases, the interview will ask you questions on the programming language in addition to problem solving questions. So these ideas are crucial, and they show the interviewer that you how well you understand the programming language. So this repo is very helpful if you want to ace your coding round in an interview, and you want to grab a job in a tech giant, in a farm company. So it will help you a lot. Trust me, follow it and you will see the results. Then we have the interview by Oil Shank. I don't know how to pronounce it either. And this repo has helpful articles, videos, manuals, also books, online courses, and more for everything relevant to technical and coding interviews. So this is definitely your bookmark. You can definitely bookmark this repo and check in daily, because this will help you a lot. It has a lot to offer. You just need to know how to get the best out of it. Trust me, it has a lot to offer. Check it out and let me know how you feel about it as well. Now it's a very specific repo, the Learn Go repo. It's basically mainly focused on the Go language. So if you're learning the Go lang, then if you're into DevOps, then you can definitely check this repo and let me know how you feel about it as well. Okay, so let's move on to the last repo for today. This repo is the Clean Code JavaScript by Rand McDermott. Yes, this one I can pronounce. Sorry for that. So yeah, the Clean Code JavaScript. This repo acts as a reference for writing readable and reusable and moreover refactorable code, JavaScript code, and it's based on Robert C. Martin's Clean Code, the book by Robert C. Martin, Clean Code, but it's been tweaked to work with JavaScript. So basically it's not an essential, but definitely you can check it out if you want to write clean code, learn to write better code, if you want to better your readability of the code. So you can definitely check it out. It will help you a lot, and let me know how it goes for you. Okay folks, that's it for this video. Check out all the repos, let me know how you feel about them. Also, if you have any of your favorite repos that you want me to show on this channel, to post on YouTube, please feel free to reach me on my DMs and share the repos with me. Okay folks, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, and I know you did because you watched till the end, so if you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends who may benefit from it, as I always say that collaboration first and code second. Okay folks, that's it for this video. Bye, take care, keep learning, keep coding.